Hello guys, namaskar. Now I'm going to show how to fix the pen drive when you get into trouble with your pen drive, and when you insert the pen drive and the pen drive actually does not work, and there is no any disk here, so we have to create a new disk part. So first of all, we have to click start button and type just disk, and here we just click disk management. Just wait a little bit. Just wait a bit here, and the bottom here, as you can see here, just the right button click and simple widget, and just next step and next and next. And okay, here we have a healthy drive. uh, Now enjoy it. Okay, it is finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe button to get more latest information about computer. Thank you.